Citri-Fi Presentation. The first application of Citri-Fi that I'm going to present is traditional meat Greek product Kebab. First, let me introduce you what exactly is Kebab. Kebab is one of the most selling meat products in Greece, especially in the south part of Greece, around Athens. Just to describe it, Kebab is formed minced meat on a skewer. It is on a skewer. Kebab consists of beef meat, pork meat, and lamb meat. The additional ingredients is water, breadcrumbs, stabilizer, which mainly consists of phosphates, proteins, and crumbs, and spices, onion, and salt. Concerning the production of kebab, it's quite simple. It does not differ a lot from a burger production. First, the meat is grinded through a 3 mm blade. Afterwards is the mixing procedure, where the minced meat and all the ingredients plus the Citri-Fi are mixed all together. It's quite important to add the Citri-Fi fibers at the last step of the mixing procedure, in order first the spices and the salt with water to apply to all the mix to the minced meat to be homogenized, and then to stabilize the mass. The next step is the forming. Sometimes the mass needs to stay relaxed for overnight in order to be more stable and not to have problems during forming. And the last step is packaging, where the final product is distributed frozen. So, what are the common problems in kebab production? The trend of cost reduction is a fact nowadays. So, there are two ways to have cost reduction in kebab production. First, to use more water, and secondly, to use cheaper raw materials like MDM. So, due to those changes, some problems may occur. First one is that during forming, the mass could become very soft and to be impossible to form the mass. And secondly, during grilling, to have loss of shape and high losses of weight, because the water and the fat was not binding very well. So, the theories of the industry, why to use Citri-Fi in kebab production? First, you can increase the yield using more and more water and stabilize the mass using cheaper raw materials. And then, to satisfy the end customer of the industry, that it's the grill restaurant or the fast food chain that wants a product that retains its shape during grilling, without losses and more juicy. So, what are we doing at this application? We just use cheaper raw materials and more water. We are using Citri-Fi 100 because we want its structure, and it's added from 0.4 to 1%, depending on the recipe, on the added water and the raw material that we are using. At the current application, what we did is that we used more MDM, 6% more MDM, 4% more water, and we added 0.9 Citri-Fi 100. Reducing, of course, the meat. So, what results we had? Significant cost reduction, 60 cents per kilo, which means for an industry that produces 1 ton per day kebab, this means a monthly profit around 3,840 euros per month, which this production 1 ton per day for a Greek meat industry is not really a lot. Moreover, the product behavior during grilling was much improved because of the less losses during grilling, which was around 4%, which means no loss of shape, and more juicy product. So, as a conclusion, we have cost reduction because we add more water and we use cheap raw materials. During grilling, we have much improved behavior because of less losses, more juicy product, and shape stability. That's all. Thank you.
We are going to do the demonstration.
I will go inside.
Okay, Stefanos is going to go to the left to describe what is going on.
Just a question.
We have one question.
What type of MDM meat is this? Poultry or it's pork or
You can use pork or chicken, mainly pork.